Hello guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ronnie and welcome to Rodix TV. And today it's another food review and another food battle. But this time we will feature the popular here in UAE. It's a Mandi. Today we will give you which one is our personal favorite Mandi versus one of the popular Mandi here in Abu Dhabi. So I can give you and share to you, and I give you idea which one is the best Mandi here in Abu Dhabi. Without further ado, I will introduce you our personal favorite Royal Bhukari restaurant. So it's located along Airport Road. So we'll keep it here, and versus Najd Palace restaurant and kitchen. So they are popular in terms of Mandi. Even you can check in the internet, even in Zomato, even in other groups, food in the internet. They have a good review, so we will try which one is the best. The Royal Bhukari, which is our personal favorite, or the Najd Palace, which is, I can say it's one of the Abu Dhabi's favorite. So let's check what's inside. Of course, the sutra is using to easily remove your mess in the table. You can put it there. And next, this is the sauce of Mandi, or I don't know the term. But this is the sauce composed of some chili and tomato, and of course the spoon and the Mandi itself. And next we have a beautiful packaging here. So let's see what's inside. Let's check again. Oh, it's in a nice kind of supra compared to this. And we have a I think it's a yogurt, something like that. And we have again the sauce. I have no idea again. I'm sorry guys. I did research for this. I hope if you know, you can comment down below. Okay, and then okay, this is the Najd Palace. So keep it like this. So guys, this is the Royal Bhukari, which is our personal favorite. Price is 26 dirhams versus the Najd Palace price, which is 33 dirhams. In terms of packaging, the winner here is Najd Palace. Okay, so this time we will check the two Mandi 5 category that we were looking for. First, the taste of rice. Second, the taste of chicken. Third, the taste of sauce. Fourth, which one is the more quantity, and last is the overall taste of the Mandi. I'll open now this there. So this is the Royal Bhukari chicken, and then we'll open the Najd Palace there. First we will check in terms of weight right now. So I think both are equal in terms of weight and quantity. So we will try now the taste of rice. So first we will try the Royal Bhukari. Okay, as usual, this is our personal favorite, so I cannot give you an idea. Now I will taste the Najd Palace. Surprisingly, I can say that Najd Palace for me is a little bit better than Royal Bhukari. And you can, as you can see, in Royal Bhukari there is some carrots and raisins here in the rice. But here in Najd Palace, there is some dried onion, some garlic, I don't know, and that's it. This time we will check the tenderness and the taste of chicken. So first I will go in the Royal Bhukari. So I will get some small pieces here and try to taste the tenderness and the taste of chicken. So tender. It's almost melt in your mouth. I like it. Royal Bhukari. This time, Najd Palace. Which one is the same part? I'll try to taste. So, I cannot say in these two chicken surprisingly that which one is the best. So, I can say right now that they are both tasty, delicious, tender. So this time we will check the sauce. Okay. Okay, so the quantity itself is almost the same level. So I'll try first the Royal Bhukari. I taste the tomato, the chili, and the parsley, I think. Next, I will try to taste the Najd Palace. It's almost identical, but I sense that Najd Palace is a little bit spicier and it's a little bit saltier than Royal Bhukari. But I cannot say the difference. But the taste, it's a little bit good in Najd Palace. But if you want lighter, you will go in Royal Bhukari. If you want some a little bit strong and spicy taste, you will go in Najd Palace. And the number 4 test, of course, we will try to check which one is the more quantity. Of course, obviously it's equal. The Royal Bhukari and the Najd Palace is almost identical in terms of weight and size and quantity. I'm so excited to eat. So this time, of course, I want to invite my family to eat all of this if we can, and then we will give you last idea which one is the best, which one is the good, which one is the better, and which one is our personal preference. What are we waiting for? Let's eat this! So okay, our gang is ready. Our Mandi warrior is excited already to taste which one is our personal preference, which one is our best, either the Royal Bhukari or the Najd Palace Mandi. So what are you waiting for? Let's attack! Okay, that's it. Woo! It's a Mandi festival today and I'm so full. What do you feel right now?
I'm so full.
Mr. Little Boy, how are you? And of course, while eating Mandi, it's the best to drink beer. But this is not an alcoholic, so don't worry guys, to all the viewers. This is not an alcoholic beer. And so what are we waiting for? We go to the review itself. So it's clearly for me the rice of Najd Palace is better than the Royal Bhukari. I never thought that Najd Palace rice is better than Royal Bhukari, because Royal Bhukari is one of my favorite rice in terms of Mandi. So what do you think, Nikki?
I choose this also.
Najd Palace, yeah. So
yeah.
There's no big difference, but we just prepare the Najd Palace rice. But in terms of chicken,
almost the same. Right?
Almost the same. Tenderness, I'll vote for Royal Bhukari because I feel the tenderness and a little bit of taste. So I'll go for Royal Bhukari. So what do you think, Nikki?
For me, it's the same.
And in terms of sauce, it's almost the same. There's nothing I taste the difference between the two. The same ingredients. I just feel that Najd Palace is a little bit spicier than Royal Bhukari. In terms of overall taste, so I think the winner is for Nikki, it's Najd Palace. But for me, I think I will go for Royal Bhukari. Why? because taste of chicken is a little bit delicious in taste, little bit, but not that much. But you know the price. The price is 26 dirhams versus 34 dirhams, including the tax. So if you want to buy the Royal Bhukari and Najd Palace, you will think twice because in terms of price. So that's it. I hope that this video helps you to decide, and if you find this video helpful, so please thumbs up, put a like, and if you have any suggestion, comments, or any reaction, you can put in the comment section down below. And if you want any question, you can comment also. And if you have any suggestion for any Mandi restaurant here in Abu Dhabi, we love to hear from you. We love to go to that restaurant and try also. And please subscribe if you're not subscribed in our channel. That's it for today, and see you next time. We have a lot of videos still there, so look and try to find other video in our channel.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah. So that's it. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, Rocco.